name and grade?
Jacob Peterson, I'm a senior.
What has been your favorite memory so far?
Just beating Valley probably.
What's your state tournament goal?
To obviously win it all.
When is sub-state semifinal and final?
The semi is February 28th and the final is March 4th.
And where's it going to be at?
Most likely here, but this final will be at somewhere else.
All right.
And thank you for all the support you guys have brought all season and keep it up.
Hey Marooners, come join the Dowling Catholic Bowlers for a day in our life. Do we know what's happening? No. Hey guys, we're at our meet. T-minus like an hour before we get rolling. It is not an hour. It must be an hour. No, it's not. It starts at 3:15. We have like 45 minutes until our bowling meet starts. We're playing against Southeast Spoke today. They're really good, but we're better. Yeah, we're better, obviously. We'll update you with scores. Ah, yes. You really gotta stretch those wrists. You do. Every day we have this little tradition kind of thing, and Mr. Shalene is notorious for wearing crazy and fun socks to school, and then obviously to bowling practice. So let's see what he has to say. Mr. Shalene, what are the socks of the day?
They're crazy socks, and they are galaxies, and they're awesome and colorful.
Wow. And what is your costume?
Tonight I am silver.
And what was your favorite thing about tonight?
Probably seeing everyone get together and dress up silly. I love seeing everyone get together like this.
Hey girls, what are your names?
I'm Sydney. I'm Audrey. I'm Izzy.
And what are your costumes tonight?
I'm a flower. I'm Snow. I'm a mad scientist.
And what was your favorite thing about tonight?
I like seeing everyone's outfits coming together. I loved walking the runway and seeing all the moms' creations. I loved hearing the moms cheer us on.
One tip I have for taking the ACT is definitely make sure you get a good night's rest and a good, healthy breakfast.
On the math test, if you don't know an answer, just skip it and come back at the end.
Make sure to actually sleep the night before. Make sure to answer all the questions.
Bring a water and a snack.
The
If it doesn't go the way you want the first time, you can always take it again.
Eat a big breakfast before.
Put something down instead of leaving it blank. It's better for you that way.
Get lots of sleep and drink some caffeine the morning of. Take practice tests to build your testing endurance.
Don't spend time studying stuff you already know. Don't spend.
For the English test, choose the most concise answer. Take lots of practice tests.
Don't spend too much time on questions you don't know the answer to.
Get plenty of sleep because you don't want to be super fidgety when you take it. You need to be focused as you can to get it done.
Just remember,
It's just a test score.
It doesn't define you.
Hi, my name is Carrie Beneke. I'm in 9th grade and I gave up candy for lunch.
Hi, my name is Josephina and I'm a junior and I've given up YouTube in the past.
Hi, I'm Anthony Beneke. I'm a junior. In the past for Lent, I've given up Legos and video games.
I'm Caroline. I'm a freshman, and for one Lent, I gave up candy. I'm Maria. I'm a freshman, and for one Lent, I gave up soda.